Hello friends, a warm welcome to our channel. This side Rinky here. Today I will share a quick tutorial on fridge magnet on beach theme. So let's get started. It's a 4x4 3D frame with assorted letters. Divide it into 3 parts. Lower part is sand view, so we are doing a beige sand color. Second layer is steel blue color. And the third one is dark blue. Merge it well. Both the layers will give you a perfect beach look. Isn't it pretty, guys? Paint all the letters in white color. If you don't have the letters, you can directly paint it on a base, or you can write a beautiful quote also on this. To give the realistic waves, apply white color and add some water on it and merge it well. It needs a little bit practice too to give a perfect lace effect. Two, three waves are more than enough. Add some bubbles. Paint the outer base with the brown color. For more craft updates, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. The links are given in our homepage. Arrange the frame and all the letters. To decorate it more, give the running effect with the paint. Add magnet at the back and your fridge magnet is ready. I hope you like the tutorial. Stay tuned with us for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.